and don't cry. Your folks might understand you by and by. Just move on up toward your destination.
Welcome to our Spring Term Achievement Assembly. This term we've been welcoming our parents back into school for learning conversations and annual reviews, and I want to say how wonderful it's been to share with you in person your children's achievements over this term. As always, a thank you for your continued support as parents. Without you, we wouldn't be able to achieve anything. We are, as always, very, very proud of our pupils this term, and today our assembly just celebrates some of those wonderful highlights. So please sit back and enjoy being as proud as we are of our wonderful pupils. Our first achievement award goes to the amazing Levi in yellow class. Levi has been having so much fun lately, and he's been singing all of his favourite songs and generally being much more vocal within the class. So well done, Levi. We're now saying a big well done to two pupils in blue class. So first of all, we say a big well done to Jake, who has had a phenomenal term. He has been fantastic with all his learning opportunities. Jake has blossomed and is able to engage with a wide variety of learning opportunities. He's able to use his head switch to activate the cause and effect toys, and he's been introduced to his communication book and is beginning to respond to it. So well done, Jake. But now we've also got to say a well done to Jessica. And there are numerous reasons why Jess could get this award. She has really settled and she's demonstrating greater interest and engagement to the world around her. She has established a great routine with her eating and drinking, and Jess is initiating movements towards different objects and materials. She's using her hands to feel different textures, relaxing in the pool and moving her arms and legs. So a massive well done as well to you, Jess. Next up, it's congratulations to Maria in red class. Maria is doing so well in her stander and her new chair, and this has had a really positive effect on her communication and her head control during lessons. Maria is managing to spend longer in her pieces of equipment and is using her head movements to say yes and no during lessons really clearly. In maths, when trying to count out a number of objects, Maria was able to tell her teacher when they needed more of an object to reach a certain amount. She consistently answered yes correctly when needing more, and answered no correctly and clearly when they had the correct amount. So an absolutely huge well done to you, Maria. So next up, we're going into orange class. And in orange class, we say, congratulations to Khalid. Khalid's getting this achievement award for recognising his peers and matching the object of reference to the musical cue. Well done, Khalid. Fantastic progress. It's now the turn of white class, and white class have nominated Megalan for this achievement award. Megalan has become increasingly independent. He is now independently using the bathroom, he is communicating more with his peers and the adults around him, and he is greeting people using their name, and he's always a kind and friendly boy holding his friends' hands. So well done to you, Megalan. We're now going to say a huge congratulations to Avery in pink class. And Avery hasn't been at Sherbourne very long, but we need to say a huge congratulations, Avery, for settling into the school so well. You're sitting as part of the group and you are doing your work as part of a small group in class. And we really are so very, very proud of you, Avery. Well done. Now it's the turn of green class, and green class have nominated the amazing Asil for a head teachers award. They've told me that Asil is a delight to have in the classroom. She is always the first to offer a response during lessons, and she always demonstrates a can-do attitude. Asil, you really are a superstar. Well done. Now it's a huge well done to Seb in purple class. Seb has shown great improvement with his speech and communication skills. Not only, Seb, are you becoming more confident with your signing skills, your letter sounds and words are also so much clearer. Due to this, the class have seen your confidence grow and you're sharing your answers and your opinions. Seb, you've been absolutely amazing. Well done. And my final Head Teachers Award in primary goes to the wonderful Scarlett in Grey class. Scarlett is now eating a variety of foods and enjoys her school dinners. She's also able to drink from a straw and a cup, so that is just brilliant. Not only that though, Scarlett, you've been working very hard in English and you were able to describe your pet cat independently. So congratulations, Scarlett, you're getting a Head Teachers Award. It's now time to say a huge congratulations to Liam in 3L. Liam has got this award for showing resilience and strength during a difficult time and continually working to find the positives and for being a joyful presence in the class. And I have to say, Liam, a joyful presence in the school. So congratulations to you, Liam. You've got a Head Teachers Award. Next, we're saying a huge congratulations to Josh in 3MB. Josh has been nominated with his Achievement Award because his communication has improved no end this year through the use of his tablet. Josh is now initiating conversations with his peers and staff with confidence. Joshua has also shown great bravery and resilience this year. This was seen a few weeks ago when he climbed up the climbing wall, even though he was actually really scared. So well done, Josh, just brilliant. This next young man makes us all very, very proud. So it's congratulations to you, Ashley, in 3T. Ashley, you completed your independent travel training and you have been traveling with confidence. You're getting this award for that and for your continued growth in your confidence generally. So well done, Ashley. It's now time to say a huge congratulations to Alfie in 3E. Over the last couple of weeks, Alfie has shown great resilience when communicating socially with his peers and staff. For example, at the start of the spring term, Alfie would struggle to comprehend when someone was making a joke with him, and this was difficult, but now Alfie is making lots of his own jokes, and he enjoys winking and grinning to demonstrate this. Additionally, Alfie now initiates lots more conversations with his peers at lunchtime and playtimes and can often be seen helping his friends without any adult intervention. The class team are so proud of your progress, Alfie, and feel you really deserve this recognition. So well done. Now we're saying a big well done to Sudian in 3S. Sudian, you've been working more independently, especially in maths lately. You've been following, completing and making patterns. So your class team want to say a big well done to you. It's now a big well done to Joshua in 3C. Joshua has had an absolutely fantastic half term. He has improved his behaviour in the classroom and is showing engagement and enjoyment in all areas of the school. Joshua is also communicating with staff better and using his voice to get his needs met and showing staff how mature he is. So well done, Joshua. The staff team are incredibly proud of you. Keep it up. It's now a big well done to Ashaz in 3LS. Ashaz, you've done some great work this term and you've become a really vocal supporter to your classmates when they have excelled at a task. It's really lovely to hear you congratulating your classmates. You are a fantastic role model for your peer group. So congratulations, Ashaz, on your Head Teachers Award. Now we say congratulations to Kanice Fatima in 3J. Over the course of this term, the class team have been so impressed with the improved concentration levels demonstrated by Kanice Fatima. She's been engaging particularly well with her maths lessons and her reading sessions. She's been showing greater independence and enthusiasm for both. Everyone is so proud of you, Kanice Fatima. Keep up that great work. Well done. And there's no surprise here that in Ross's class, Reese has got the Head Teachers Award. Reese, you have returned to school with your care team in a brilliant mood and you are so keen to engage and chat to everybody. You've been working fantastically on your targets, especially moving your arms to make marks and make other things move. It is so great to see you smiling and laughing in school again, Reese. Well done. In Amy's class, we are giving a Head Teacher's Award to Jaipreet. So Jaipreet, you've got this award for settling so well into your new class. You've been building positive relationships with staff and you've been engaging in a really wide variety of activities. Well done, Jaipreet. It's now a big well done to AJ in Kate's class, who's getting this Head Teacher's Award because he started to take more interest in choices during his lessons. He is consistent in his choice making and starting to follow instructions as well. So well done, AJ. I'm now moving into Key Stage 4, and it's a big congratulations to Honor in 4P. Honor has been working incredibly hard in maths and focusing well to complete the task set. She has been excited to work with numbers and can now use a calculator confidently. She's relaxed and ready to learn more about functions as she continues to build up her confidence with numbers. Added to the terrific effort shown in the classroom, Honor has also initiated games with her friends and has been able to show a wide range of communication skills when socialising. Role play and TIG opportunities have enabled Honor to show off her creative side while she supports her friends at break and lunch times. Everyone is so proud of you, Honor, and you help to make the school a positive place full of laughter. Well done, Honor. The next wonderful young person to receive a Head Teacher's Award is Lara in 4Z. Lara, you're getting this award for your determination to achieve this term. You've been working really hard to regulate your emotions and keep a positive attitude when you feel a bit overwhelmed. Lara has found her art lessons challenging recently, and she has been worrying about her ability to draw. But you've tried hard to overcome this by listening to the advice given, and you've adopted a really good can-do attitude towards your ability. At a recent sports leaders event, Lara volunteered to speak about her experiences in front of the students from other schools, and we were so impressed by your confidence, and we were so very proud of you as you were of yourself. So congratulations, Lara, for your Head Teacher's Award. Another wonderful young person in 4Z to receive a Head Teacher's Award today is Kian. Kian, you're receiving this Head Teacher's Award for your determination to use your Nisa Eater during school meal times. You've been using this every lunchtime and it has made you much more independent in choosing the food you'd like to eat in each mouthful. Kian has done such a great job and we are so proud at how you've adapted to using this device within school. So well done, Kian. Congratulations and keep it up. We're really proud of you. Now it's time to celebrate some amazing young people in Key Stage 5. And my first Head Teacher's Award goes to Garang in 5MH. Garang, you are receiving this Head Teacher's Award because you have worked consistently hard in all of your lessons recently and you have produced some excellent work. So congratulations, Garang. We are really proud of you. Well done. We're now moving into 5J, and the Head Teacher's Award in 5J goes to you, Kyle. Kyle, we want to say a big congratulations for having such a sensible and mature attitude both to school life and to your exam revision, particularly in ICT. You really are incredible with your attitude to everything that you do. So congratulations on receiving this Head Teacher's Award, Kyle. Well done. We're now saying congratulations to someone in 5S, and it's to Robbie. So Robbie, you're receiving this Head Teacher's Award for much better listening and for following instructions, particularly when swimming. So a big congratulations goes out to you, Robbie. Well done. And my final Head Teacher's Award goes to Isha in 5M. Isha, you're receiving a Head Teacher's Award because you have been adjusting to using your new hearing aid so well, and you've been participating brilliantly in group discussions. So everyone wants to say a big well done to you. Congratulations, we're really proud of you. So a final congratulations to all of the pupils that received a Head Teacher's Award today, and also a big well done to all of the pupils at Sherbourne that make us proud every single day. I just want to take this opportunity to wish all of our families and our staff and our pupils a wonderful Easter break. I hope you all have a safe and happy time, and I look forward to seeing you all in the summer term.
keep on wishing. Remember your dream is your only scheme. So keep on